Hello, it's me. Um, I don't actually have a channel, but it was meant to be Boy and I later, and yeah, I don't have a channel yet. So this is just a video of my Nerf guns. So here's one. It's the zombie strike. Um, here's another sniper. This part right here actually comes off. I have another sniper right here. I have this rapid fire gun. I know I have bad lighting in here. So then I have mega Nerf bow. Oh, you can see it better. Let me just zoom in. So that's my mega Nerf bow. My room is a mess. Yeah, it's a mess. So I have this gun right here. I have this gun. Here's my electric guitar. Um, so I have an acoustic guitar right there. And this box I have a bunch of bullets and other crap. So here's my games, and yeah. So that's all my stuff. And I even have a little airbrush type thing. I drew on it, as you can see already, because I played with it a little bit. And yeah, so I'll see you next time. Bye.